Alright, for number 9, given parallelogram PQRS, find TR. So we want to find TR. If PT, so this piece right here, is 4x minus 6, and QT, this piece right here, is 2x minus 5, so this piece right here is 2x minus 5, and TS, this piece right here, is x minus 1. So since it's a parallelogram, one of the things we know about parallelograms are the diagonals bisect each other. So that's going to tell us that this diagonal is bisected into these two equal pieces. So that means we're going to put the green 2x minus 5, and that's going to have to be equal to the red x minus 1. So we're going to not even worry about the 4x minus 6. It has nothing to do with setting up the equation, because we know that this diagonal was cut in half, so this piece is equal to this piece. So now we can just solve this. So let's go ahead and minus the x over. And so I get x minus 5 equals negative 1. Move the 5 over. And so now I end up with x equals 4. So you have to remember that the question said find TR. So TR is going to be this piece. Well, like we said earlier, the diagonals bisect each other, so that means that TR is going to equal 4x minus 6 because it's going to equal this piece. So TR is going to have the same measurement, 4x minus 6. And now that we know that x is 4, we can plug the 4 in and figure out what TR is. So we get 16 minus 6, so TR is going to equal 10. Alright, number 10. Sandy wants to prove the figure below is a parallelogram. She states that from the given information, the diagonals bisect each other, therefore the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Explain what is wrong with her reasoning. So we know her reasoning is wrong. So this statement is actually true if that the diagonals bisect each other. It makes the quadrilateral parallelogram. That's a true statement. So something else must be wrong. So if you look at the picture, what's wrong with the picture? And the problem with her reasoning is the diagonals don't bisect each other. We know that this part of the diagonal is congruent to this part of the diagonal. That's what this picture is telling us. And that this piece is congruent to this piece. So the diagonal, this diagonal, TE, is not bisected because this piece is not equal to this piece. So the diagonals are not bisected. So since it asks us to explain it, we might want to use 2 or 3 sentences and say that since the diagonals are not bisected, it does not make a parallelogram, and justify your reasoning, refer to the diagram, but this is easily a 2 to 3 sentence response.